Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the best ways to fight in Dragon City and to win most of your battles. So press battle. I'm speaking about arenas in this video. If you want another video about the quests or leagues, I can show you later. So you press on arena. Basically, you look at this element boost. Usually there is every month there is one element which is stronger than the others. So you have to change your team, adjusting it to have plant inside. So for example, this one doesn't have plant, this one doesn't have plant, but it also depends on the other team. Like, what does the other team have? This one has uh, light, pure, fire, and lightning. Earth, plant, light, and light, pure, plant, and water. So I have to see other dragons which can destroy these dragons. So for example, this one, it's light, this one's light. You know what? Let's change this one. Let's get this one. Also, you can find it in Google, which are the strongest materials if you compare it to others. So I think this one is going to be harder for me because pure is much more stronger than legendary. So let's skip this guy. And of course, like light can destroy dark, and dark can destroy light. Just the opposites usually are stronger to each other. I think this guy is achievable. Let's try. Let's try to fight him. So there is one trick which I will show you. Here you see his materials, right? The top one of them is light. So you can either use this one, which is plant, to destroy it, or you can swap dragon and use darkness. But then you have to think about it at the same time. What will he attack me with? He can attack me with fire, or he can attack me with water, or with lightning, or with this spell. So if I opt to use this one, and he uses water, I'm gone because I have fire inside this dragon. But if I'm using this one, most of his attacks will not destroy my dragon from one shot. That's why I'm going to use this one. So let's attack with plant. See, it wasn't crucial. Okay, now it's another step. Because once I attack this one, this dragon is dead. I'm going to be fighting this one. So now I have to think about the other step. Once I destroy this dragon, is my dragon currently, Dave, this guy, is he strong enough to fight this guy? Or are these materials compatible to fight with this guy? Or is he going to destroy it in one shot? If I'm not sure, I would like just to take another dragon like this one, which is legendary. Usually legendary are so strong against any dragons except the pure. So this one is not pure, so I should be fine just killing this one and continuing with this guy. Yeah, so for example here, whatever he did, I'm not going to take like a huge amount of damage. Now I have many options as you can see, so let's see. Yeah, here I can either attack with this guy or with this guy. But here this guy is already a little bit damaged, so I'm going to take this guy because he has a full health. Let's attack and see what happens. Alright, let's attack again. Okay, so now I have two options. This one and this one. Let's see this guy. Here, whenever there is none of them is strong, usually I use legend spell. It works with almost everything. See, this one is almost dead, right? And I want to use him in the next fight, so I will swap dragon. I will use this one in order to keep this one alive, so I can use him in the next fight. Because if he dies, you usually cannot fight with him in the next fight. Let's see what we did. Okay, victory. Yeah, so as you can see, this guy is dead. We have to change him. I will like this one because see, I will tell you how I choose it. Usually, fire and ice are the opposites. If you have both of them, it's going to be hard to kill you with fire or with ice. Also, in the same time, light and dark, they're opposites. If you have them in the same dragon, it's going to be harder to fight them. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah, here. Do you see this brown thing? It's stronger than this pure thing. It's called pure, the pink one. And this pure thing, it's stronger than this infinity thing, which is called spell. So if this one will fight this one, I will have a chance. If this one or this one fights with this one and he attacks with this, I have no chance. And he has both. He has two of them. So I have two choices. One of them is to change this dragon to this dragon, which will mean I can attack this guy with this, or I can just use my highest level dragons, which are this, and just skip this fight, which I will do now. So let's skip this fight and go to the next one. Okay, so after finding a fight, yeah, I think this is easy. Yeah, let's try. The one in the middle might be a little annoying, but other than that, I think it should be an easy fight. Okay, so look here. This guy now, he has pure. Okay, so since he has pure, you know what? Let's keep going with this one. Let him die, then we can use the other dragons to avoid losing. So for example, it's here, right? None of my dragons is strong enough to kill him. So let's just pick any of these dragons which has the highest health. Also, I didn't choose this one because this is crucial to kill this. So just skip it or keep it to the end. Try to avoid fighting this one with the legendary dragon or it will die. So basically it's like chess. You have to sacrifice some pawns to keep playing. Yeah, now it's game over for me because they are both legendary and it's over now. And see how I kept this dragon and this dragon alive, this one and this one. You have to always think about what's going to happen in the next game, in the next move, in the next dragon. What are you going to do? Yup, victory. I think this is going to be a tough one because I lost one of my strongest dragons, but I can use this one. But this one is supported by plant, right? So let's see. This one's going to be hard, but I think it can be done. Let's see. This probably will be the last fight for this video. If you need any more tips or advice about Dragon City, just put it in the comment and hopefully I will help you in the next videos. So see, this one is light. The opposite of it is green. That's why I used it. Here I have no chance, like literally no chance. So I can just change it to this one, I guess. I'm going to lose because of this guy. It's 49,000, like, come on, it's too much. So I have no chance. I lost this fight. You know what? I will not end the video while losing. I will actually, I will play another game, another fight. Because look, he's so overpowered, like almost 50k. Wow. I did not kill this guy. Alright, alright, alright. Let's find another one. So now, okay, since all of them are dead, I have now the chance to show you how to choose dragons depending on your fight. So here I have pure, I have legendary, I have primal. That might be hard. Okay, let's see. So look, the first one has pure, right? You come here, you choose the opposite of pure, which is this guy. The second one is legendary, right? You come here, come here. You choose something which is opposite of legendary, which is this guy, which is pure. The third one is it has primal and it has light. So I'm just going to choose this one so I can attack with my dark. Hopefully it works. Let's see. See, has a red arrow. It's stronger, and it's done. Okay, let's come here. Let's take this guy. Looks like his dragon is super OP because